In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending news on YouTube using the Explore tab. Let's get started by opening YouTube. On the desktop site, look to the left sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Explore. Click that and then select News. This takes you straight to YouTube's dedicated news area. If you're on mobile, you'll find Explore along the bottom navigation bar. Tap Explore, then tap News. The idea is the same in both places. You're heading to a curated hub designed specifically for current events. Once you're in the news section, take a moment to scan what's trending. You'll notice a mix of the latest and most popular news videos sourced from a variety of channels and publishers. Thumbnails, headlines, and channel names make it easy to spot topics that matter to you at a glance. You may see major breaking stories near the top, along with timely updates and explainers that are gaining momentum. Keep an eye on timestamps to get a sense of how recent a video is, and use the headlines to quickly understand the angle or focus of each piece. Now, when a story catches your attention, simply click the video to watch. This opens the player just like any other YouTube video, so you can pause, rewind, or jump ahead as needed to catch key details. If you'd like to broaden your view beyond a single clip, explore the playlists available in the news section. These playlists group related videos, letting you dive deeper into a topic, compare coverage from different channels, or follow a developing story as it unfolds. It's a helpful way to get context and see multiple perspectives without having to search manually. As you navigate, notice how the News Hub is organized to make discovery straightforward. You can move back to the main news page at any time to keep browsing. If you're short on time, scanning headlines and thumbnails is often enough to pinpoint what deserves a full watch later. A quick tip before we wrap up. YouTube updates its news content frequently, so check back often to stay up to date. The lineup can shift throughout the day as new stories break and existing ones evolve, meaning a quick visit in the morning and another later on can surface different relevant videos. That's all you need to find, watch, and explore trending news on YouTube using the Explore tab. Head over, click News, see what's trending, and watch the stories that matter most to you.